So if I was going to make this jewelry case, I'd put snaps on both sides. Instead, I have to do this. And you see that whatever they had put in there is disintegrated over time. It's probably just resin. Yeah, look at that. The goal, what I'm planning, is to take some tape and covering the front and then using the UV. And this one's, whatever was in there is falling out, so it's just like a little spot I need to. There and there. Just be careful, sometimes that's what they do. See how that's like that? That's not a rock. That is like resin or something that has come out, you know? Maybe it's glue. This is the purple, which I think will have the best chance of turning into like an opal. Maybe a little bit of blue. And a little bit of holographic. Why not? All right, and I have a dropper. That looks great. It is just gonna be so nice. I love this UV resin. I love this life where crafting is so easy and you could do almost anything. Anything. So I did mess up on the side, and I'd have to remove all of that somehow, but I'm hoping that over time it'll be eliminated or something. But yeah, look at that. So many. But this is actually very close to how it looked in the beginning, so it was definitely resin. And it lasted for years, for what it's worth. And it didn't look this bad on the sides. Ultimately, one day I might just fill it all in. But I'm gonna see how it responds to water and stuff. But yeah, pretty cool, right? Let's look at the other one. Okay, so here's the other one, which I just messed up because it just got a drip on it. But that's fine. So you can see I filled in this one, and I filled in the middle, and I would argue that if you saw me wearing this, especially that middle one, you'd think that's opal. It looks pretty opal-y. Yeah. Probably wear it on a finger. I have so many fingers to wear rings, but not enough fingers to wear rings, you know? The crosses are big, so they kind of take up a lot of space.